we are looking at what is the meaning of UwU. This is how you pronounce it. UwU is how you want to say it. But what does it mean? It is used on the internet mainly. It is an emoticon depicting a cute face. This is what it represents. Yes, it forms a bit of a cute cat face or rabbit face, who knows. But it is used essentially to express various warm, happy, or affectionate feelings. So, a sign of warm and cute and happy affection. Affection is what it means. UwU is affection. And now you know UwU. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more slang terms, especially from the internet, and what they mean. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.